Hi, I am Saroj Kumar Singh and I am a Deputy Manager of Jubliant Biosys and taking care of Asia Pacific business. My main role and responsibility is to bring business for our company. My company, Jubliant Biosys Limited, is a service provider company in drug discovery area. Just we can say this is a CRO company, and we can take the project from target identification to IND filing, and also we can supply a phase 1 and phase 2 grade material. If I am talking about target identification to IND filing, that means we can take drug discovery project right from beginning to IND filing. So in this case, we are having the different business model like integrated drug discovery project as well as FTE model and FFS model. Our facility is GLP certified and GMP certified, so our reports are submissible to US FDA also, and we can synthesize GMP grade material till 10 kg from 500 gram to 10 kg in a one batch. We are offering service in field of drug discovery but not in clinical service. If we are talking, we are having the different verticals like structural biology, computational chemistry, medicinal chemistry, synthetic chemistry, GMP, DMPK, as well as the bioinformatics. And recently we have onboarded the AI and ML technology also. Our service impact is we are helping all the major global top pharmaceutical company as well as biotech, virtual and mid-sized company to develop a drug. And we are having the dedicated 550 scientists who can take your program on priority and which will be helpful for the mankind, because nowadays it's getting cancer is a very common thing, and our major therapeutic area is oncology, metabolic disorder, CNS, as well as pain and inflammation. So it is helping the common people as well as society. Our company is recruiting freshers like master degree, impart, as well as MBA people, MBA students, which is really whoever is knowing the better science, like in biology, in the field of biology as well as chemistry, they can come and join our company, and our company is giving the opportunity for the freshers as well as the experienced people. A skill set which we are mostly preferring in the students is they should know the basic knowledge of chemistry as well as biology and as well as in bioinformatics. If they are having the specific skill set in this field, our company will welcome them more than, and they will be happy to onboard them more than. Thank you.